let's dive into the basic chemistry of atoms. Here is an artist's rendition of an atom, and here you can see many different subatomic particles. So let's start talking about each of them. So let's start with the green subatomic particle. That one is called the neutron. Um, Neutrons are located in the middle of the atom called the nucleus, and it weighs approximately 1 Dalton. And Daltons are just a unit for molecular weight, and neutrons have no charge. Next, let's talk about the proton. The protons also have a mass of 1 Dalton. They are also in the nucleus with the neutron, and they have a positive charge of +1. And finally, the red subatomic particle is the electron. Electrons are so small that they, for all practical purposes, they just have like a negligible mass, like almost zero. And just for fun, I've included their molecular weight, which is approximately 0.000549 Daltons, approximately. So it's like extremely small compared to the neutron or the proton. Definitely, the drawing is very out of scale. And yeah, unlike the neutron or the proton, the electron is not in the nucleus, it is in the orbitals, which is the shells outside of the nucleus. They just keep on orbiting and orbiting around the nucleus very quickly, and electrons have a negative charge of -1. So it's oppositely charged to the proton. Now, notice the electron on the outside ring. This is called a valence electron. This valence electron determines how many other atoms can bond to this atom over here. More on that later. But now you see the number of blue protons is the atomic number of the atom. And each element has a different atomic number, so you can kind of determine what element an atom is by counting up its protons and finding its atomic number. For example, if we count the number of protons in this atom, we find that there are 11 protons. And here is the periodic table. If the previous atom had 11 protons in it, basically we just look to find which element on the periodic table has an atomic mass, or an atomic number, sorry, of 11. So you can find the atomic number right in the top right corner of each box. And as you can see, the one with 11 at the top right is sodium with an abbreviation of Na. And